We are Team Lil NG-nears. I am Team Leader Jose Medina.
I'm Tony Ramirez.
I'm Cindy Valdez.
I'm Marcelo Chicaiza.
I'm Justin Valle.
I'm Oliver Coronel.
We are East Los Angeles engineering and technology students. We are enrolled in Professor Davidian's GE101 for fall 2018 semester, and today we will be presenting our final Stirling engine design.
The body of the Stirling engine is composed of two aluminum cans. The first can is a pressure chamber. Inside this chamber is the displacer that is made out of steel wool and nylon string.
The displacer moves our working gas from the hot chamber to the cold chamber. The nylon string attached to our displacer is connected to a connecting rod that's also connected to a crankshaft.
The PVC pipe is placed outside the pressure chamber, which holds the power piston.
The power piston is made from a screw that is connected to the crankshaft by a steel wire.
Our flywheel is made out of two CDs held together by a cork and double-sided tape that creates momentum when the engine heats up. The gas expands and pushes the power piston up, which moves the crankshaft. We will now perform our efficiency test. Thanks for watching.